Hey guys, AmandaSushma here, and this is going to be kind of like almost a week's long vlog just because, oops, sorry, really bright. Just because I wanted to share some furniture I'm getting. I just got the chairs and I'm waiting for this desk, but I thought it'd be fun. I have a really small dining area. I have a one-bedroom apartment, so it's really small, but I want to show you guys if you have a similar style apartment or you might like some of the things I got. Well, I only got like 2 chairs and a desk, but whatever. I'm really excited and I just wanted to document my experience. Oh, this is my little wall. So this is my little wall of places I've been or want to go. Mostly where I want to go. Like in the middle is Miami. So Miami's in the middle. I went there in 2019 with my friend. Best trip ever. We got to see Nicky Jam, and I don't speak Spanish or anything, but I love Spanish music. I'm actually going to see Bad Bunny in 2022. Super excited. Yes, in Miami. So really excited for that. But this is that art piece. It's like a watercolor print. I got it from Etsy. They're all art prints, so you download them and you can print them out wherever. I printed them out at Walgreens. This one is Toronto, which I've been to. Loved it. They have really nice, clean beaches. And I went to this Egyptian place. I think it's called Egyptian Maya or something. I'll post a picture of it next to this. But yeah, it was amazing. One of the best trips ever. Up here is Seattle. I haven't been there before, but I really want to go. I feel like I'd really enjoy the vibe. So that's kind of on my list. The Grand Canyon is on my list, and Singapore. Can we just take a second? Like, that's real. Like, that exists. That's just amazing. Marina Bay. So yeah, Singapore is on my list. So these 3 are places I haven't been to before, but this is like my little, I don't know, art gallery, kind of a little bit, I don't know, ratchet. I don't know. This is a table that I already own. I got it from Amazon. It's just, you know, like a small little side table. I have Pearl's toys under there and some plants. But yeah, I really like this, and I love this finish, and I love the price, but they didn't have it in like a giant dining table or like a bigger dining table, so unfortunately I had to get a darker color. So we'll be seeing that hopefully June 1st. It's supposed to arrive from Amazon. Sometimes I feel like Amazon just, like, it gives you a date, but it gets there way earlier. And I don't have Prime or anything like that, but my shipments usually get there way earlier than they say. So I'm pretty excited, hoping to see it soon. And the chairs I got, I don't want to spoil them. Well, I'll spoil it a little bit. It's very Slytherin looking type chairs. They're spoiled it so bad already. But yeah, I'm super excited. It was $115 for 2. So that's not too bad if you divide it by 2. Like, some chairs were way more than that and it was just coming with 1. So I'm really excited. It's from Target, so yeah. This is what the box it looks like. Came in a pretty big box. Really excited to unbox. So these are what the chairs look like. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. And it was awesome delivery. Like, I ordered it Sunday and I got it on Tuesday. So it took only 1 business day, which is awesome. I ordered it Sunday night. Target is on top of it. Super happy. So now we're just waiting on Amazon. Also, I have issues with my cat, like, clawing at certain furniture. So I've been putting this sheet over this. I put it on last night. Oh my god. Hopefully she doesn't scratch it. I was going to get some kind of citrus scent thing because I saw that cats don't typically like that, so we will see. Lately, she's been loving hiding underneath here. It's like the perfect hiding spot for her. Isn't it, Pup? Hi. Don't scratch Mama's new chairs, okay? Okay. Another thing I really liked about the chairs is that they made it super easy to put together. Like the legs were already together. I just had to screw in the seat to the legs, so super, super easy. Alrighty guys, so I was correct. It is Friday and my table came way earlier than it was supposed to, so I'm super excited. This is my helper. She's not doing the most, but she just looks so cute on top of the table. She's like the model for the... This is the situation right now. I mean, it looks decent. It's a little bit narrow, but I figured it would be good for my apartment. So the issue I'm having is, you see how this line here, I hope you can see it right there with the leg, it's nice and straight with this frame. So what the issue I'm having is this side and that opposite side there. I cannot get them to be like straight together, and I even tried hammering it in, like hammering it here to get it there. So that's one issue I'm facing. This is a better look of the opposite side. See how it's not completely like, you know, closed in here? I tried to re-tight it, but it's just too hard for me. I think I might just get my boyfriend to do it. Like I said, I did turn it over and I tried to like hammer it, so yeah. The other two sides I got pretty well though. So the issue is, if I leave it like this, the legs are kind of crooked, especially compared to the like correct side. Also, this is a cute little toolbox that my mom got me. I think she got it from Amazon. It's called Her Hardware Do-It-Yourself. It's cute. It has a ton of like tools. It came with a hammer too. I just put it somewhere else. But it came with a ton of tools, and all these nails and stuff came with it too. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Some scissors. Yeah, what else is this? Oh, it comes with like a strap, so I could be like, what was his name? Steve? No, Bob. Steve. Bob the Builder. Yes, I can. Alright, so this is the finished table with the chairs. My boyfriend did try to get the legs to be all together and aligned in there, but the frame is just kind of messed up with this, so I just switched it so this side is kind of the good side, so the legs are definitely straight, but the side, I guess you can't really tell right now, but it's slightly crooked. I think I paid about maybe 60 something for this table. Would I recommend it? It depends on what you really want it for. Like, it is pretty narrow. You can check the dimensions. I'll put it in the bio below. But it's pretty narrow, but I like it for my size that I needed it for. And this isn't real wood, it's laminate. So I would say, I mean, I'm happy with how it looks. It's a little like flimsy, and it's like thin, and I don't think it can hold like that much heavy items. But I like it for my purposes of maybe eating on it, using it as like a little desk, and eventually I could use it as an actual desk, put it somewhere else and get a bigger table. But for now, it's not the most sturdy table, but it's good enough for about $60. So I'm happy with it, and I really, really love my chairs. Yeah, the chairs are probably the best item I got out of these two from Target. So yeah, I really like these, and you guys saw the colors they came in. This table will be linked from my Amazon affiliate store, so you can check that out if you want, and if you have any questions, let me know. And these chairs will also be linked. They're from Target, like I said before. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, it is a different day. I think I filmed this in 3 different days. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just a little idea for, you know, a small dining space. And even though the table isn't exactly the most perfect table, it's good enough for like $60. And I do like it. It kind of has that, I was going for like, you know, that Starbucks study vibe where it's like wood everywhere and it's just comfortable. This table is a little bit taller than the previous one I had. So yeah, I really like it. Even though some of the legs aren't totally flush with the frame, it's okay because it's not that noticeable. And we'll put a little bit of cardboard in to make it even. The chairs were definitely the best item out of this entire little video. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Bye! Papa.